So maybe you are looking to buy a car and you're wondering what are some of the things you should look for to make sure you don't buy a lemon. Or maybe you already have a car and you're just wondering what does it take to maintain your car, to keep it on the road, and to save some money in the process. Or maybe you're looking to sell a car and you're wondering what are some things that I can do to that car so I can sell it, make the selling of it easier, and maybe how do I negotiate with the buyers. If you want to know any of that information, I have now started a membership where you can join, and I will teach you the things you need to know about how to inspect cars if you're going to buy one, how to maintain your car with the basic things like checking the oil, etc. And then also if you're looking to sell your car, how to get it prepared to sell it, right? How to make it look good, whatever you need to do to get that car sold, and how to negotiate with the buyers, because yes, you will have buyers that will come and they're going to try to negotiate with you, and it's some of the things you can already do to your car. They have it ready, so that way you can skip half of that negotiation, and also what to say when it's time to sell your car. So if any of that interests you, go ahead, click the membership, and enjoy.